No, you might not be thinking of Burger King right now. We're thinking about you. That's why we're offering a $0 delivery fee. Let us take care of you.
Owners flexible payment options. To learn more, visit. For over 50 years, Nissan has brought Canadians together. But now, we need to help as we all learn about keeping a safe distance. We're looking to support current owners. That's why our service departments are here to help. And for new purchases, Nissan will make up to your first 3 payments on select models. Even in a time of social distancing, Canada can rally together.
Help is what we've always given. So thank you to our helpers at BMO and beyond. Thank you to the healers, the fighters, the all-nighters, the cleaners, the movers, the 18-wheelers. Thank you to the farmers, the grocers, the above and beyonders. Thank you to all the frontliners for keeping our lives moving when the world needs to stop.
Home to help stop the spread. Thank you.
At Tim Hortons, we're proud to serve all of our communities across Canada. During this time, here's what you can expect from us. Our drive-thrus are here for you. Our app is here for your mobile orders. And our delivery partners are here to bring your orders to your door. Because we want to be the kind of good neighbor that every community deserves.
Social distancing.
Tim Hortons,
Canada can
proudly
rally
serving
together.
our community.
If you set up direct deposit in the app, your CPP checks will go right into your account.
So I get my money sooner.
Yeah, which means I get some money sooner.
Yeah, nice try, bud. Hey, thanks again for your help.
No problem, Dad.
We know you might not be thinking of Burger King right now. We're thinking about you.
We are taking extra safety steps to minimize contact in our drive-thrus.
Let us take care of you while you take care of yourself.
Hi! How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Staying safe?
Yeah, all things considered.
Is there a knock at your door? Do you hear it?
Wow. Nice. And the root beer? No way. Thank you.
Oh, you're so welcome. Before you eat, wash your hands.
Well,